Hello again, my name is Travis Minchley. This is my week 4 interview question for CSE 212. And this week we talk a little bit about stacks and queues and how those are used with linked lists. So stacks and queues can both be built using linked lists. A linked list stores data in nodes, and each node points to the next node. Since we're only changing those links between nodes, we can add and remove items very quickly. So just to demonstrate some examples of this, a stack that follows the last in, first out principle. So I would use the head of the linked list at the top of the stack, and every time I push a new item, I add it to the front. And when I pop an item, I remove it from the front. Since I'm only updating the head pointer, both of those operations are constant time or big O1. Getting the top item and checking if the stack is empty is also constant time because I only need to look at the head. Now let's take a look at queues. So a queue, it follows the first in, first out principle. I keep track of both the head and the tail of the linked list. New items are added to the tail, and items are removed from the head. So because I'm only updating one pointer each time, enqueue and dequeue are both constant time or big O1. If I keep a count variable, checking the size is also constant time, and checking if the queue is empty is just checking whether the head is null. So a real world example of this, or the way I can kind of explain it, is a stack is like a stack of dinner plates. The last plate you put on top is the first one you take off. And a queue is like waiting in line at a grocery store. The first person to get in line is the first person to be helped. Linked lists work well for both stacks and queues because we aren't shifting data like we have to with an array. We're simply changing which node the head or the tail points to, which keeps these operations at constant time or big O1. So it really helps to improve the data and improve the way that you use the data or take the data from these principles. Thank you. Have a good day.